In this video, I will talk about smart contracts, which seem to be very popular these days, but they were around since 1998. The term first used by Nick Szabo, an American computer scientist who invented the first virtual currency called BitGo. And he defined smart contract as a computerized transaction protocol that executes terms of a contract. Some might already know that smart contract is the heart of a lot of cryptocurrency, but what exactly is a smart contract and how does it work? Smart contract is a tiny program that runs on the blockchain, like Ethereum, that specifically designed to support a smart contract, which is a collection of code and data that reside at a specific address on the Ethereum blockchain. Smart contract can be programmed in a special programming language called Solidity. The way it works is very simple. For example, when you want to do a fundraising and your goal is to reach $100,000, you have to go to any website like GoFundMe or Kickstarter, then create a project and start collecting money. But that third-party platform is the middleman that will take care of your money. What if the donation overreached the goal? How can you trust the third party? What if they take the rest of the money and only give the project creator $100,000? Or they want to refund the money back to the donors, but it takes too long because there's so many people donated. That is where smart contract come in and fix the problem. Because we can build a similar system that doesn't require a third party and only run on the condition we want. We can program it this way. Once the project is fully funded, the money will automatically transfer to the project creator, and the rest of the money will transfer back to the donors. Since smart contract is on the blockchain, it means everyone can see and audit it. Also, once it's on the blockchain, no one can change or fix anything. Smart contract is very versatile and can apply to so many things. For example, lending system. You can write a smart contract that say the borrower must put 100 ETH in order to receive 10,000 DAI in loan. And if you want your security deposit back, you must return the loan plus interest. Or you can use it in rental property if you are a landlord. You can write something like, if tenant pay the rent on time, they can get in the room. But if tenant miss the payment or they don't pay it on time, the room will be automatically locked so they cannot get in. Or if you are artist or singer, you won't need record labels anymore. You can just write your own smart contract. When people pay for it, you can just send the song to them, something like that. Even smart contracts sound so good to be true, but there's still some risk because people can write a new contract and update it anytime. Hackers can change the code and steal all the money. That's why investors must be very careful in order to invest in any project that pop up like crazy these days. If you like this video, you will love this video as well, where I talk about what is Ethereum and why I think there's so many opportunities for Ethereum to grow. And remember, even they say it's already a smart contract, but you still have to be smart about making decisions while investing. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one. Cheers!